Hello guys, today let us meet the star of the year in 4th grade. This is my son's trophy guys that you can see, okay? My son has become the star of the year and it was a surprise for me and for my husband and for my son as well. It was the 4th April, okay, when it was his last day of school of 4th grade. Then the summer vacation began and he was given this trophy. He was awarded by his principal. He became star of the year. So Zed,
Yes.
congratulations to you. Please hold
Thank
your
you.
trophy, beta. Yes. So how did you feel when you get this trophy? Sit straight, beta, please. My sit straight.
I was feeling very glad to myself
I
that
was
this is the first trophy ever,
okay. So you must say I felt proud of
and it is
myself.
very precious to me.
Okay, that's nice. So say something about your trophy.
So in our school, we get the Star of the Year trophy when in the whole year who is the best student.
Okay, so your performance has been the best
Yes.
throughout the year. So were you aware of it that you will get it towards
No.
the end of the year?
In starting, before the end of the year, I didn't know only that I would get a trophy.
Yeah.
But then I got to know that yes, teacher already said me in starting that who will be the best student, he will get this trophy.
Okay, so you mean to say when your 4th grade began,
Yes.
that time teacher had announced it in the
Yes.
classroom.
And I
Whoever,
was not aware, but I was
okay,
not
but you weren't aware, but teacher had done the announcement that whoever would do the best throughout the year would be awarded the trophy. Okay, so I congratulate you one more
Thank you.
time. Lovely. And yes, Miss Mahi,
Yes.
coming to you, what do you have in hand?
I have a medal.
What medal it is?
It's of my class.
You are in 2nd grade.
Yeah.
So, how did you get this? What do we call it? I forgot.
Medal.
Medal. How did you get this medal?
Uh, so I am good at drawing.
Okay.
The teacher had said that there is a competition of coloring, drawing, drawing, and cartoon making. So
Okay.
I took in coloring because I am good at
I
coloring.
participated.
In coloring and drawing. So then the teacher said only we can draw butterflies. Then I drew 3 butterflies. Yeah, they were looking pretty, so because of that I got this.
Wow! Congratulations to you, beta. So
Yeah.
this is your first ever medal.
Yeah, and my mom was very happy.
I am still very happy with both
Yeah.
of
And then
yours
I
progress.
bought this to my house. My mom gave me a tight hug.
Oh wow, wow, lovely, beta, lovely. You really deserved it, Zed. You really deserved it, beta. Okay. So now, give me some idea. What shall I ask you? I'm not getting any question in my mind. What shall I talk to you about? Okay, so now, Master Zed, okay, you will be entering 5th grade, right?
Yes.
So, do you promise me to get it one more time?
Obviously, obviously.
Are you sure you will get it again? Okay, and Miss Mahi, do you promise me to get the similar trophy in your 3rd grade?
Yes,
Is it a promise to me?
promise.
Hmm. So, you already know that getting trophies is not an easy thing,
Yes.
right?
And
So, I want to know what 5 things you will do to get this trophy in the next year. Miss Mahi, I want you to answer this question first. 5 things, and I want you to count them on your fingers.
stay focused.
Okay.
And
You must say I will be focused in my studies.
stay focused. And what comes in school, revise it.
Okay, you will be revising whatever you will be learning in school.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
and and
Hmm.
can you continue?
No, please. What else you will do to win this trophy in your 3rd grade? But do you get this trophy in 3rd grade?
Yeah.
Zad, do you get it in 3rd grade
Yes,
or you
yes,
get it
from
for?
third only we get.
Okay, so tell me, Mahi.
Can I?
3. No, beta. Let her continue. Quick, Mahi.
And the third thing,
Yes. First is you said focused.
yeah.
Second is you will be revising whatever you do in school. Other 3 things.
The
Use your own mind, beta. Think a little more.
that don't talk to friends.
Yeah, you shouldn't talk to friends much. When teacher is teaching, you should be attentive towards your teacher. Hmm.
And uh, when it any competition, we should, as if I took it in coloring,
Yeah.
so we need to practice that thing.
Yeah, so you mean to say whenever there would be competition,
Yeah.
you would be practicing for it.
Yeah.
Wow. One last point.
The last point is
Hmm.
that and I don't have any idea.
Think, beta. Use your own mind. And I'm sure you can say. You're very good at beta speaking.
And don't talk to friends, just be talkative with teacher.
Or maybe indulge, be attentive towards your teacher. But that is already said, Mahi. Something new that you would do this year in the current year to achieve a trophy like this.
And stay a good student.
Yeah, but how would you be a good
Stay
student?
disciplined.
Stay in discipline. Very good, beta. Very nice, Mahi. I love you, beta. Okay, Zad, coming to
Yes.
you, beta. I want to hear. I want to hear something new.
Our
Not.
writing
Don't
should be
repeat.
good.
Wait. Don't repeat what Mahi said. Something new.
I know.
So
Our
what will you
writing
do?
should be
Wait.
good.
Let me repeat the question. What will you do to get this trophy in 5th grade as well? Count on your fingers.
Writing
5.
should be good.
Okay.
Behavior
Should be good. Okay.
and in organizations.
Hmm? What is that?
Means a teacher writes down our knowledge.
Yeah.
Means she will note down in organizations also how much we are focusing on everything. Teacher will write down the
So I
marks.
think you should be. You
You
should
do
maintain
that also.
discipline. I think you should
Yes.
maintain discipline. No. You should be good organizer.
No,
Then-
teacher will organize us that how we are sitting,
Yeah.
how our sitting
So
is.
that comes under behavior, no, Zed?
Yes.
Yeah. So you already said 2 points, beta. More 3 points.
We should not talk funny things.
No, there is no harm in talking funny things. There is no harm at all, beta. Other 3 things that you would do throughout the year to win this trophy again, one more time. Wait, Mahi. Okay, say something.
We should not trouble teacher.
Yeah, absolutely. You should not trouble your teacher.
Why
That
would
is so
I do
true.
it?
You did it, no, in the last year. You did trouble your teacher, right? Your teacher had complained. Then mama had to visit school, right? And then mama had to say sorry on your behalf.
Yes.
Hmm.
And
Very good, Mahi. Love you,
Here
beta. 3, no. That you said, no. Let Zad say. That was your point, beta. You said 6 points. Zad, you are taking good time. You should not take this much time, beta. You shouldn't take this long. You said 2 points. Why don't you repeat your 2 points?
behavior.
Yeah, your behavior has to be good.
And
Second, writing has to be good. More 3 points.
No, these two are the main. This should be main.
Understood, beta. But still, personally, what will you do? 3 things. Personally, at your level.
We should not talk too much with friends.
No, talk about you. We should know, beta. Talk about you. I won't talk much with my friends when the class is going on,
Yes.
right? I will be listening to the teacher, right? So, point 3 are done. More 2 points, beta.
And we should not rush to get there, here.
Yeah, so true, so true. You should maintain discipline. You should use your senses,
Yes.
right? Hmm.
One last is there.
Yeah. Personally, what will you do to get this trophy again? See, here in the camera is on, and you must sit straight, beta. Sit straight, yeah. Tell me one last thing that you would do to
No more
get this
points.
trophy. Yes, Mahi.
And if we have any doubt, we should ask it to teacher.
Absolutely, absolutely. See, Mahi said so many points. Very good, Mahi. Today you win, beta, and Mama will reward you for it because you really said good points, and Mama is very happy with you. But what to do with Zad? He didn't speak good. He disappointed Mama. Hmm? Okay, now these days you have your vacations
Yeah.
going on,
Yeah.
right? So may I know how you are spending your vacations? Want to speak?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me three things.
Three things, or I can say five.
Okay.
Science is-
Chalo, Mahi, let Zed speak first.
Okay.
5 points. How you are spending your vacations? Tell me 5 things.
We are
Sit straight, beta.
we are traveling. We are traveling here and there.
That is one thing. Another 4 points.
Yes, and the best thing is that my nanny came at my home,
Wow, very good. More 3 points.
and
Sit straight, beta. Hmm.
nanny came at my home, and
Hmm. Are you learning anything?
yes.
What?
Our study is happening more because we are getting more time to study.
So what do you study? Tell.
We only read a story.
Why we? Talk about you.
I only read a story map. We do mapology,
Okay, you are including Mahi with you. Okay.
write up, and one abacus.
So you write a
Part
page.
of it.
You are
Abacus.
learning mapology
Yes.
and
Abacus.
you are learning abacus.
Yes.
Very good, beta. Very
These
good.
all.
So are you getting confidence in doing mathematics?
Yes.
And are you finding it interesting to know about the world?
Yes. Abacus is so easy, the best.
Really?
Abacus.
You are enjoying doing
Yes.
it? Great. Yes, Mahi. Now you continue, beta. Tell me 5 things how you are spending your vacations.
I have to say that my nanny is in my house.
I'm glad that my nanny is at my home.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the second thing is I'm also glad with also one thing my cousins will come.
My cousins keep coming due to vacations,
Yeah.
right? I'm glad that
But
my cousins
after
keep
4-5
coming.
days.
Yeah, they will be coming back after 4-5 days. Very good, beta.
And and we keep having a journey.
Traveling. We keep traveling here and there. Very nice, Mahi. More 2 points.
Mm, and and we
Hmm.
and I play also the halftime.
Yeah.
And halftime I play and then study.
Okay, so
In
you must
studies
say.
I do abacus,
Okay.
mapology,
Yeah.
and write up and
Yes.
story.
Okay,
That's
so you read a story.
Yeah.
Lovely. Very good,
Then
beta.
we get up,
So-
then we read.
Wow, excellent, excellent. So are you enjoying in your vacations?
Yeah.
Is mama pressurizing you for anything?
No.
Are you sure about it?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you are doing everything
We are
by your
having
own?
relief
Really?
after school's vacation start.
And
Yeah.
and daily, not these things. What I said now, we don't do it daily.
Yeah.
2 things daily we do.
You are doing it alternatively,
Yes.
right?
As if today
Sometime
abacus
reading,
and mapology.
sometime reading, sometime abacus,
Yes.
sometime
So we
apology.
have 2 hours. We only study 2 hours.
Okay.
and
Come forward, bit is there.
and sometimes as if like this. So one day today we did abacus and mapology, and then tomorrow like this only keep it there.
All right, all right. Hi, Nani.
Hello.
Say hi to Nani.
Hello.
So who is she in the picture now?
She's our nanny.
So who will speak 5 lines about Nani? Chalo, let Zad speak Mahi first. Say something about your Nani.
I like my nanny.
Yeah.
She came here only for few days.
Okay.
And she recently just had done eye operation.
Okay, her eye is
Yes.
operated. Okay, you said 3 points. I want more points, beta.
And whenever she goes,
Huh?
I cry. I cry
Badly.
because she only meets not much.
Not for a long time.
Yes.
She stays with us only for few days.
Yes.
Wow, wonderful, beta. Yes, Mahi. Say something about your Nani. 5 lines about your Nani.
Yes, what I say her to buy, she buys for me.
Yeah,
And when only she comes, she gets for her something.
yeah.
And when she and when as if my mom when only my mom scolds me, she saves us.
Wow, so true. It is so right, beta.
3 points are done.
Yeah. More 2 points.
And more 2 points.
Yeah.
And she is very polite with us.
Wow, so sweet.
She has never scolded me till now.
Excellent, beta. You are speaking the truth. Very good, Mahi. Yes. Okay, and who is she in the background? Who is she in the background? Why don't you stand and show me, Mahi?
She's my dog.
Who got this doll?
My mom got it.
Mom or Nani?
Uh,
Why don't you stand up and show your doll properly? Go a little behind. Go a little behind. Yeah, so who got this doll?
My nanny got it.
Okay, so say something about your doll.
I love her.
Yeah.
And I keep changing her clothes.
Yeah.
Just today I have changed her clothes.
Okay.
My mom says that make her take, but I don't make her take.
Okay.
Only sometimes, and I love her.
Okay.
It's all.
Okay, Zed, you can say few lines about her doll.
No, I'm not a girl.
Sorry, beta. Sorry, you are so right. Okay, something more about
And
Nani.
her face can move like this.
Yeah, her face is flexible,
But my
beta.
brother is too scared. When only I keep it, he gets scared.
Okay,
And she
okay.
can clap also.
Lovely, lovely. Your doll looks pretty, beta.
Thank you.
Okay. So, Zed, when your Nani goes, what you do? Sit straight, beta. You are in the video, okay? Say something. How do you feel, okay, when your Nani goes back to Delhi?
I feel no, I don't feel I cry.
Literally?
Yes.
You cry. And how do you
Bad.
feel? You cry buckets.
I feel
You
bad.
can say I cry buckets.
Yes.
And how do you feel?
I feel very
Sad, you can say.
Yes.
I feel sad. What else?
and
Hmm. Yeah.
that's all.
That's all. You that just feel
I
sad.
feel bad and I
Mahi,
cry.
how about you? Okay, keep your doll aside, Mahi. Now
Then-
tell me.
I also think then next time when will she come to meet us?
Yeah.
Because we meet once in a year only, not once.
Yeah. So this is what I was
Once
expecting
in
from
6
you.
months.
Yes, beta. This is what I expected from you. Yes, Mahi. How do you feel when your Nani goes back to Delhi?
I feel my eyes are welled up, but I don't cry near. I can.
Oh, your eyes. You feel like crying, but you don't cry.
Yeah.
My goodness. You really hide your tears? How sweet. How sweet. What else do you feel when your Nani
And
goes
my
back to
nanny also cries.
Yeah, every time Nani cries, right? Okay. How else do you feel, beta, when Nani goes back to
I
Delhi?
feel very sad,
Yeah,
and our whole happiness has gone.
our whole happiness
Because
goes
only-
away.
She comes in once
We
in a
feel
blue moon.
happy. We feel that
When she comes, we feel excited,
Yes.
happy. She plays with us. Because we keep fighting, my brother and me. So when our nanny comes, she also talks with her, plays with her.
Wow. Plays with us.
Yeah.
So what your Nani plays with you guys?
anything, whatever we
Sometimes
answer.
she
Really?
plays
Yes.
with us carom.
Yeah.
The things that in real she plays with us, sometimes carom, sometimes with me kitchen
Yeah.
set,
Hmm.
and sometimes she plays with me with my this
Huh?
doll.
Okay, lovely. Fine, beta, fine. So good to know about your Nani. Okay, it was nice time meeting your Nani and you guys. Okay, you guys keep learning, keep progressing in life, beta. Keep learning. Learning should never stop. Okay, so we are towards the end of the video. Do you want to give any message?
Yeah.
Please like, subscribe, and share.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nani, you also say.
Please like.
Please
Like,
like,
subscribe,
subscribe,
and share.
and share.
Avik, look into the camera and say now. Please like,
Please like,
share,
share,
and
subscribe.
one more time, Nani.
Please
Let Nani speak now. Yes.
मैं बोलूं
हाँ,
हाँ क्या बोलूं
bolo. Please like,
प्लीज
like,
like
Share.
like
share,
share
and
and
subscribe.
subscribe
Subscribe. Thank you, Nani. Thank you, Mama. Thanks, Mahi. Thanks, Zed.
दोनों बच्चों को
Ashirwad.
आशीर्वाद थैंक यू
Bye bye.
नानी के साथ में